We're at the spot again. We've got Casey and Scott and Tim digging in his bag, Mark digging in his bag. Me, I'm about to dig in my bag and then go break some shit over there. We record, we record.
Or excuse me, record with it. I haven't figured that out yet either. I haven't looked into that. That's crazy. I hope that they
Going up on one.
Hello. I wanted to say like all hope is lost.
Right.
And then something like hope is regained or something like that when it gets it back. I think that'd be hilarious.
Yeah, it would.
That'd be so funny, dude.
Oh my goodness, I almost fell over just now. Holy cow, dude.
You going in on it, Timmy? I like this park. I'm sorry, but I really like the trees.
Those gimbals are huge on that Tyrannus.
The gimbals are?
Look at the size of the gimbals.
Full size. Oh yeah. No doubt.
Scott violating them sticks over here.
Fuck. I'm having a great time, sir. On your birthday. Oh, this video is going to be decent.
Are you recording on your session?
Yep.
Did you hit the tree line yet? Over there?
Oh yeah.
The red
I went
trees?
all the way down at first when I first.
Might as well fucking send those. Oh shit, these work way better when you plug them in.
All right. It's good.
I don't know what I'm doing here.
Down. All the cells are about 2 on the ohms for resistance, so I think it's good. Like, what baby one's flying now? Fly's pretty fucking good. If only I could get all my flies.
Chase my shadow. Oh God! Oh God!
I heard that.
Golly! I saw the bounce back
Where'd it hit?
right in that bottom of that big thick bastard, right there that splits the short one. Right there in the center beside the wide one.
I was chasing my shadow
Oh God.
and I went right into the tree.
Demolished that tree.
I mean, the quad, the camera's fine.
I don't like the mark in the mark. That'd be hilarious.
And that's why we fly grinderinos.
Did you leave a mark in it? Dude, I told you that I saw the mark bounce off of this shit. That is so great.
It's deep, dude.
I know, I told you that ricochet off of the fucking thing.
It's so deep.
This isn't it, is it?
No.
Okay. Wow,
It's
you
so
fucking
deep.
gnarled. That is awesome. How's the bird?
Oh, fine. 100%. It's a grinderino, bro.
You nailed that motherfucker.
Are you doing the worky now? You are doing the worky now. Oh, I love my Fox ear cameras. All right, what are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing?
Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Applying pressure, but I promise I ain't make it then. In their heads, living free, I ain't paying rent. Wake up in the AM, making G's like Mercedes-Benz. Whoa, yeah, please don't take offense. It isn't you, I'm just not interested in making friends. My biggest fear is finding out that this came and went. So go ahead, but I'm staying in. Okay, drop a song and pop up on your phone like I was YouTube. Connected to the fans without a hand, I did it Bluetooth. The only time I come up short is when they watching YouTube. Spinning with the drill, no wonder why my screws loose. Taking off and I can't stop, I beat them all by a landslide. Houdini, I popped out of that box even with hands tied. Big dog like Sandlot, but it's real life, no fantasize. Counting money a damn lie, my hands clean, no sanitize. Whoa, had to switch up on the flow, gotta keep them on their toes. I move quick, I make the most, why they copy what I wrote. Follow everything I post, never trip about a clone. Cause they know what's a sheep to a goat. Welcome to the main event. Applying pressure, but I promise I ain't make it then. In their heads, living free, I ain't paying rent. Wake up in the AM, making G's like Mercedes-Benz. Whoa, hey, please don't take offense. It isn't you, I'm just not interested in making friends. My biggest fear is finding out that this came and went. So go ahead, but I'm staying in.
If you don't like me, better close your eyes, I'm about to shine. Or take a picture when you see me, cause I doubt you find another like me, yeah, I'm one of one, no other son. The way I'm blazing ass, I like the earth just got another sun. I did not even anti-social, are you so sure? Cause I only be hanging with goats, so they never told you? I'm a soldier, and you ain't got nothing on me. I be killing and grilling the rappers, I'm writing a cookbook for the homies. Don't hold me, I'm dangerous. You don't wanna take this risk, I don't play with kids. No, I am not on Epstein's list. I'm on my grown man team, you know, steady stacking the racks up. I got a hard drive, so if I fall, I'm going back up.
Welcome to the main event. Applying pressure, but I promise I ain't make it then. In their heads, living free, I ain't paying rent. Wake up in the AM, making G's like Mercedes-Benz. Whoa, okay, please don't take offense. It isn't you, I'm just not interested in making friends. My biggest fear is finding out that this came and went. So go ahead, but I'm staying in. Okay.
Props sounds unhappy. All right, Hunter did cool shit, so now I gotta prove myself and do some cool shit.
So I have 2 with the original DJI cameras, but Vistas, and then I have 2 Polar Pros, and then I have 2.
Whiskey, whiskey, the singer's getting sore. We raised the roof, now we're lowering the floor. The band is blistered, but we got a little more. When I say 1, 2, you say 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All together gone. It's now or never if you want another song. On and on goes the ringing of the bell. Off we go, this song won't sing itself. So soldiers at my side, come on, it's you and me tonight. Whiskey, whiskey, the singer's getting sore. We raised the roof, now we're lowering the floor. The band is blistered, but we got a little more. When I say 1, 2, you say 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, Mr. Moonlight, you gotta let him play. If the devils wanna dance, then the piper wants his pay. Hiding in a hiding place with good sense never goes. Take me to the fountain where the fire water flows. We'll find our alibis and lies and lose ourselves tonight. Whiskey, whiskey, the singer's getting sore. We raised the roof, now we're lowering the floor. The band is blistered, but we got a little more. When I say 1, 2, you say 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
On the dance floor is like trying to put a square peg in a round hole. Not saying it's something that we shouldn't try to do. Don't do it for me though, do it for you. You've been minding your manners and behaving yourself, but there's still a lot of bottles left upon the shelf. So whip a little whistle now, give a dog a bone. I can take it up a notch, can't do it alone.
Soldiers at my side, it's you and me tonight. Whiskey, whiskey, the singer's getting sore. We raised the roof, now we're lowering the floor. The band is blistered, but we got a little more. When I say 1, 2, you say 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whiskey, whiskey, the singer's getting sore. We raised the roof, now we're lowering the floor. The band is blistered, but we got a little more. When I say 1, 2, you say 3, 4. 1, 2, 3,
What camera do you need, Sammy? Sure.
Okay, I think you're gonna love it.